That's Ophelia, Kavik, and Kodiak. They do real good for their dogs. One at a time type stuff. Still at the park. There's that pretty little car. Still sitting there. I gotta get gas and a battery. Get out of there, Kavik, Kodiak. Get out of her nasty. Get out of her business. Come on, y'all. Come on, Kavik, Kodiak. Oh. Oh, they try to trip me sometimes. Cut, Kavik. She'll fuck you up. Ophelia is a fighter, if y'all can't tell. Y'all see how stout she is? She will tear this thing up. She had grabbed a hold of Kodiak once already. Y'all get over here away from that garden. It's hot as shit. Come on. Let her use the bathroom, dickheads. I don't know. It's Ophelia, don't go nowhere. You're listening real good. She listens a little bit better to me than Karma does. Karma listens. She just does it whenever she feels like it. Are they having fun there? Y'all gonna have to let her use the bathroom though. That's what she come out here for. This is a gift for Ophelia though. Usually we got the neighbors and they got a couple dogs. A lot of dogs in this park. Alright, let me get these guys away from her so she can use the bathroom. Kodiak, Kavik, come here. Hey, beautiful Ophelia. Y'all see how stout she is? Pretty puppy. Yeah, Duran had this dog since she was like little. Like 6 weeks old, 7 weeks old or some shit. 8 weeks old, 7 weeks old. And she's like 4 or something like now.